the word, okay? Okay? Okay. What picture is this? Sock. Okay, good. Sock. This one. Teacher. Very good. All of these pictures, students know the word but cannot spell, right? We gonna spell